If your Epic Games launcher is acting a little slow, not opening properly, or you just want to make sure you're on the latest version, this tutorial will show you exactly how to check for an update in just a few seconds. And if you find this helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and let it fully load. Once it's open, look toward the top corner and click on your profile icon. This is where Epic hides a lot of the launcher options, including settings and account tools. After clicking your profile icon, choose Settings from the menu. This will open the Launcher Settings page, where you can manage different preferences and also check for update information. Now here's the important part. In the Settings area, look above the Language section. If an update is available, Epic Games will usually show the update right there near the top of the page. In other words, you do not need to dig through a long menu or press a separate update button in most cases. If you see an update notice, follow the prompts on screen to let the launcher update itself. If you do not see any update message above the language section, that usually means your Epic Games launcher is already up to date. So if everything looks normal and there's no update option showing, you're good to go. This is a really quick check, but it's useful because keeping the Epic Games launcher updated can help with login issues, download problems, and general performance. It also makes sure you have the newest features and fixes from Epic. So to recap, open the launcher, click your profile icon, go to Settings, and check above the Language section for any available update. If it's there, install it. If it's not there, your launcher is already current. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.